back, you see the belly, there's its other flipper. Coming right in close, you'll see the eyeball just ahead of where the flipper connects. So you can see our calves are very curious, very playful. And another one of our calves coming up at about our 9 o'clock. Now we can tell because we've seen these calves before. We know what their dorsal fins look like. You can see the different dorsal fins in the group do look different. And there's mom. So with our humpbacks, when they dive down, you see a black and white pattern on the bottom of their tails. Some of them are mostly white, some are mostly black, most of them are some mixture of the two. And looks like some of them off at about our 4 o'clock, others here at 10, 11. So because these black and white patterns, we looked at them, we take pictures of them, and we know that each individual humpback has a different pattern on the bottom of their tail. The calves, it takes a couple years for that pattern to really set, but then they'll have the same one their entire life. And another one here at 11 o'clock, and those other ones further back at about 4 o'clock. So 11, 12, 1. So the calf is the one that has its first fin out right now. So this is Venom's 2016 calf. Now this calf will get a name in a couple years. We continue to see it. Once that pattern starts to set in place, it isn't as fuzzy and won't change anymore. Venom is the one in the middle. There's someone else's calf up ahead, the one that's rolling over. So kicking its tail, you see those white flippers. So another one just ahead, maybe that's this one's mom. So coming up, you can follow those green flippers in the water. So making a turn, you'll see all the patches of barnacles on this, so there's one on either side, right above its eye. So making a turn, if you're going right under the boat, there's the calf on the outside. So it looks like this one is going right underneath us.
So I can take a picture of you.
So we are staying in the... So it looks like at least 3. So I think these were all together in one group, and then they formed 2 different groups. And maybe we'll join back together again. Our humpback whales are technically considered solitary, but we know that they're very social. So when they need to break apart, because there's not a whole lot of food in one area, they can handle it just fine on their own. However, they will form these associations or groups. They can change at a moment's notice. You can see the association will have the same surfacing patterns, the same diving patterns. And they'll be pretty close to each other. They can last a couple of minutes. We've already seen one.